Hi guys, my name is Jolie, and I will be teaching one of the high school biology standards. The standard I will be teaching is HS-LS4-2, and it wants us to construct an explanation based on evidence of Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection. And it wants certain criteria to be met, which are why more offspring are produced than can be supported by the environment, that there is a heritable variation among the individuals, and why some of these variations lead to differential fitness among individuals, as some of the species are better able to compete for limited resources than others. So what I have here are two species of butterflies. We have the blue and the pinkish orangey red. So as you can see here, we have 8 of these babies. If the environment was more of a darker environment, you would actually see the darker ones survive and the lighter ones would not. So that would be natural selection, because the predators would actually eat the lighter colored ones and the darker colored ones would go on to mate. So that is one reason why there are more offspring that are produced than the environment can handle, is because so many of the offspring can actually not survive. For example, turtles, there are hundreds of eggs in the nest, but only a select few actually make it to adulthood. This is due to predation and also just to genetics. Another part of the standard is to emphasize the overall result of an increase in the proportion of those individuals with the traits that are an advantage to the environment. And actually a good example of this would be back during the Industrial Revolution. There were a species of moths that were light in color due to the tree trunk colors. But once the Industrial Revolution started up, the tree trunks got covered in soot, so the darker colored moths actually were able to live and reproduce. Once England realized what they were doing to the environment, they actually put regulations on the amount of soot that was released, causing the trees to get their natural light color back, which ended up having a shift in the color of the moths again. And there's actually a museum that displays all the different colored moths in the times that it happened. But that's just an example on the proportion of the individuals with the traits that they can survive.